Hi guys, so I'm back. Tagal ko nawala. Teka, paano ba itong mic na to? Grabe, anong oras na? 7:37 na guys. And kakadating lang ng ating package. Batch 8 yata to, batch 8 or batch 9. I forgot. So unbox na natin siya. Grabe ang tagal. Halos hindi kasi galing sa sa vacation, kaya maraming shipment, mga naipit. Siyempre pag naipit kailangan i-ship lahat. Thankfully sa atin, all goods in the hood. Okay. Ito na. PSA. Kaliligo lang guys. So ayan guys, PSA, kakadating lang natin. Anyways, i-unbox na natin to para malaman na natin yung mga grades and makapagano na tayo. Wait lang, ibayin natin yung angulo syempre. Ano ba to? Ayan. So, okay na guys. Ba't kubit? Ayan. So, ito ang unang box. Ito yung pangalawa. So, we got 32 total slabs. So, paano ba ito? Patalikad. And some of it, I crack it to resubmit it. And some are my personal cards. So, start na tayo guys. First, uy! Ito ang aking Vaporeon PSA 10. This one I pulled last December I think, in my one box of my Terastal Festival. So not bad. Next, the Milotic. This one is for our client and it is a PSA 9. Not bad. Next one, Umbreon Master Ball. It is from Prismatic Evolution. And yeah, it has a white here and here. So it's a PSA 9. Not bad, but look at the texture. It's so gorgeous. Next, it is the Charizard's Illustration Rare PSA 9. This one is so very hard to grade. Look at this. It has only one white. But it's PSA 9. But sometimes you get lucky, sometimes not. So this one is Lorcana from Disney Lorcana Chapter 1 Aurora Enchanted. So this one is oh my god, PSA 8. I don't know what is. I see. Do you see that? Meron siyang mga parang, hindi ko alam kung design to eh. Ito may whites sa gilid, may whites din dun. But it's a beautiful card nonetheless. Next one, Let's assess it. So base here 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. I guess it is a PSA 9. Is this a PSA 9? Next one, it is another dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 dots equivalent to PSA 9. Oh my god, PSA 8. 3 dots, PSA 8. So guys, if you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me. So if you're in the Philippines, I can submit your cards for you. So Squirtle, 1, 2, 3, 8, 7. Sabi na nga ba? Kasi ang mga IR guys, sobrang hirap ng quality. Ang papangit ng cut sa edges. Kaya makikita nyo may whites. I think this is PSA 8 or 9. Oh, 8. That 1513 PSA. That's the hard thing in the illustration rare. In Scarvio in general. Kadalasan ng Scarvio guys may whites eh. So ito meron din dito guys. Ayan. Nakita ba? So I think 9. Next one, 1 dot, PSA 10. Look at this. It has only 1 dot, but it's a PSA 10. So, swerte yan talaga. If, di ba mayroon tayong inano kanina? May 1 dot, pero PSA 8, 9. Then, si Blastoise may 1 dot, it is a PSA 10. Di maselan yung PSA sa sa centering. Maselan sila sa whites. So Charizard PSA 9. Next one. I think PSA 10. What the heck? Wala siyang whites. Ito pwede itong regradable. Regradable. Sabi natin. Yung pwedeng i-regradable. Next one. PSA 10. Kaya hindi ko pa tinitignan yung harap. PSA 9 din. So, regradable yan guys. Pwede natin i-crack. Ito PSA 10. Wala akong nakikitang whites. Diba PSA 10? So ito guys, may storya to. I cracked this for our client and this one it is only PSA 9. Then now it is a PSA 10. So ayan, PSA 10 na siya. PSA 8. Why? Why oh why? Hindi rin makita yung ating ano. So the golds are PSA. The Van Gogh Pikachu PSA 10. So this is so clean. The Van Gogh Carmine PSA 10. Congrats. No whites. And Tinkerbell from Enchanted. It is a PSA 9. Di ko alam paano tumingin ng Lorcana eh. Pero I think regradable naman sila. Bisa foil. Oh, regradable. Mew, this is mine. This is mine, guys. This is mine. 1 dot. 2, 3. 3 dots. and it is a PSA 8. Next, it's Rebecca Special Art Rare. Nag-away na naman yung mga aso sa baba, guys. Naririnig niyo ba sila? And it is a PS8 then. So gorgeous card. I want this for myself. Ba't parang mas makapal to? Ano? Ano? Bakit parang mas makapal to? Iba yung ano niya. Then parang may sleeve sa loob. Naka-emboss din yun dito sa loob. So weird. Oh, nag-iba rin sila ng ano. Manga Shanks. Nag-iba sila ng slabs, guys. So, PSA use different slab. This is the old one, this is the new one. So, why? Hindi naman siya thick cards. And if makikita niyo yung reflection, may ano siya, sleeve siya sa loob. Loob. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So PSA 9, this is mine. Alakazam and the Charizard is PSA 10. This is the normal one. Next, the Uy, my God, why? PSA 8. This is the old one. 1, 2, 3. Tatlong whites, guys. So, yeah. You see the pattern, guys. If maraming whites, talagang maselan yung PSA. So, PSA 8. Oh my God, this one. We restored this. But, nandun pa rin yung ano niya. Yung sa baba. But, no whites, guys. PSA 9. Medyo nagtaka ako sa ating ano. Oh my God, why? PSA 8. The centering plus 1, 2, 3. Tatlong whites. Umbreon! So, we got the Umbreon in the PSA 10 slab. Nice one. Not bad. Then, the Aerodactyl. PSA 9. Wala. Ito, regradable. I think this is regradable. And the last one. Uy, this is new one again. And Uta. So, all the new cards are from... They use it in one piece, ha? New slab in one piece. So, I think this is the new slab. Yeah. You can see the difference, eh. Look at the difference. So they used new slab here, so we're gonna make it a content. Anyways, guys, so that's it, guys. May parating pa tayong regular submission, and that's mine and sa client. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Thank you guys for supporting, and if you wanna grade your card, you can contact me down below my social. Thank you guys. Peace yo.